Kiran, what about you? Is this a good buying opportunity? Do you see further downside, and hence should an investor wait to enter the stock?
Well, very good afternoon to all of you. Looking at the charts, I suggest a staggered buying that you should do from current levels up to a level of say 2250. 2200 should be your stop loss. And on the way back, there's a hurdle at around the 2400 mark. The day we close above the 2400 mark, we'll get a breakout of a falling trend line. That will lead to a great rally that could see the stock going to the 2900 marks eventually. But for now, staggered buying since we are in the consolidation or a corrective rally that we are seeing for now.
Let's move on then to the next query. We have Vijay Kumar calling us from Hyderabad with a query. Vijay, hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Tell us, you have an investment in NCC?
Yes, sir.
So is it a trade? Is it an investment? What exactly is it that you want us to help you with?
Yeah, like I was whether I'm a long-term investor, so
Okay.
I want to know the performance of the company. Should I hold it or should I sell it back? That's what I'm asking for.
All right.
Kiran, you agree with the view?
Absolutely. NCC is a clear sell. The chart pattern isn't good at all. After a good kind of consolidation, it has broken down the supports, and we are heading towards the 35 target, which is the first target, and then it could slide down to 27 as well. So holding on to this counter would not do any good to this investor. Exit right now, or maybe on a small kind of pullback rally that you could see.
Okay, the next query comes in from Mr. Renukeshwar, who writes to us from Bengaluru. He has 150 shares in Avanti Feeds, which he has bought at 616 rupees just a week ago. He's a long-term investor and wants to know what to do. So he's a recent investor in Avanti Feeds. Kiran, for somebody who's just bought in and, at a very high level, 600 plus, do you think over the longer term it could stabilize? Could he end up seeing some more profit? Is there upside in Avanti Feeds?
The chart structure is pretty strong for now. I don't see the stock go below the 500 mark, and therefore I have a stop loss at 480 that I suggest. And from here on, I think over a period of time it will bounce back to a level of 650, where you should take a review once again.
Have another query coming in from Tamil Nadu. Mr. M.K. Navbharat writes to us, holds about 2,000 shares of BEL at 94 rupees a piece, 1,000 shares of Federal Bank as well, 92 rupees for the last 1 month. Short-term investor wants to know whether to hold or sell. So let's get in Kiran's answers on BEL as well as Federal Bank. These are trades which seem to have gone a little awry, as far as both these stocks are concerned. What do you think he should do?
Well, BEL is a sell immediate. I don't see the stock move beyond the 87, 88 mark. With this, at this current juncture, I believe that the downside is much more than what the upside is. So exit is what I would suggest for BEL. As far as the other stock, Federal Bank, is concerned, I believe there is a strong support at around the 80 mark. Therefore, I have a hold on this. 78 would be my stop loss for Federal Bank.
Okay, the final query today is on consumption stocks. And he has written to us with the query. He says that between Gillette India or Marico, which would be worthwhile, and whether for the short term or the longer term. So he has just selected two stocks. He wants to know how long he should hold on, and between the two, which one to pick. So Kiran, first to you.
It's interesting, because Gillette is the company that makes men's shaving products, and Marico recently invested in a company called Beardo, which propels men to, or motivates men to go ahead and grow their beards and groom their beards. So interesting. So probably our expert. Yes.
What your personal outlook is. Okay, Kiran, first to you. On Marico, you have already given a hold to our earlier viewer, but is there a buying opportunity? And between the two stocks, which would you recommend?
No, I believe that Gillette is in a clear downtrend for now. It's a strong avoid from my side. Marico is also tentatively weak for now, although I've given a stop loss for that stock. But within the same sector, I've got Dabur, which is better. So instead of Marico, if the investor looks for Dabur, I think Dabur will outperform Marico. This is what the charts say.